Hey students! Struggling to juggle classes, homework, and that never-ending pile of essays? Meet your new study buddy, the AI Essay Summarizer from MyEssayWriter.ai, the perfect tool to help you conquer those daunting reading assignments and ace your research papers. So, what's the scoop on this Essay Summarizer? It's designed specifically for students like you, helping you break down complex texts into clear, concise summaries. Because who has time for endless pages when there's Netflix to watch? Here's how it works. Our tool dives into your text like Sherlock Holmes with a magnifying glass and a double shot of espresso, uncovering every key idea with precision. It uses natural language processing to understand the text's context and meaning. No sentence left behind. Then, advanced algorithms prioritize what's important, trimming the fat and leaving only the juicy bits. The result? A summary that's clear, coherent, and easy to read. Perfect for cramming before that big exam. And it's all tailored just for students. No more stressing over what to focus on. Let our summarizer do the heavy lifting. Ready to see how it works? It's super simple. First, copy-paste your text into the input box or upload a file, whatever floats your boat. Next, choose how you want your summary served. Do you prefer a sleek paragraph or a snappy bullet list? Maybe you've got some specific style needs? No problem. Just let the tool know, and it's got you covered. Now, here's where it gets even cooler. Our tool supports multiple languages, so whether you're tackling a French literature essay or some tricky German philosophy, just type or paste your text in any language and get your summary in the language you want. Need it short and sweet or more in-depth? You decide the length. Because we know one size doesn't fit all when it comes to study sessions, and because we know peace of mind is priceless. All text generated by our tool is 100% plagiarism-free. But hey, we don't expect you to just take our word for it. That's why we've added some handy options for you. Right after your summary is ready, you can click Try Plagiarism Checker or Try AI Humanizer. Plagiarism Checker will allow you to check the originality of your content, and AI Humanizer will allow you to bypass AI detection. These tools will give you that extra confidence boost. And don't worry, we'll dive into those in the next videos. So, who's this for? If you're a busy student looking to streamline your study sessions by simplifying massive textbooks and research papers, this tool is for you. It's like having a personal tutor on standby, ready to extract key points and make your essays sharper and more focused. Whether you're juggling part-time work, sports, or just trying to keep up with social life, our summarizer helps you stay on top of your academic game without the stress. Ready to level up your studies? Give the AI Essay Summarizer a spin and see the magic for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and visit MyEssayWriter.ai for more awesome tools. Happy summarizing and good luck with your studies!